Wanna know how to preload ki before boss phases in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle? Well, no worries. Here's a pro level Dokkan trick and some explanation I'll be giving you in order to preload ki before getting into boss fights so that you can gain the maximum advantages. So before a boss phase change, don't trap the rainbow orbs. Make sure you do not do that, or even if you do it at the last. So make sure you also leave good key paths on the board as well. Next, just simply turn your main unit. So next, just simply make sure your main unit starts with the perfect key. It's really necessary for a head start. It gives you instant super attacks and more damage right away. This is used for red zone and long events as well. This means orb control, and orb control leads to boss control. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and join with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.